Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to check the speed of your hosting company. And then I already have one video, previous video is how to speed up your WordPress website. If you want to have a look, just click on that video. And then right now we are going these tools to check why we do not use the ping tools, because ping tools is to check your whole website speed. Right now we do not need that, we only need to check the server speed. Okay, let's proceed. The process will only take a while. And then another tools that I would like to recommend is the loaded.io. Okay, this one, the result already there. You see, this one is my host server IP, and then these tools will ping from different location. Like this one, for my case, my host is the data center is in Singapore, so that's why you see the Singapore response rate is the best. And then the rest, let's say Singapore, if people is from the Sydney or from the London UK side, their response rate is slightly slower, but still acceptable, because my performance, these tools already tell that my performance is A. And then these tools, actually they are promoting some web hosting company as well. They are using their affiliate link, and then all these company is good enough, is okay from my humble opinion. Okay, let's proceed with the second tools. The second tools, after the free registration, you have to set up something. This one you have to add a host. Okay, this one is my site. I need to verify them. I need to paste this one or download a file. Then you need to upload this file into the root document using FTP program. Then you click verify. Okay, you see the target already there. So right now we can create our first test. The test okay, for YouTube. I don't recommend you choose a long duration, because your host not going to like that. So this one I just leave it default, and then run the test. Test will take only 1 minute long. Okay, I would like to show you the CPU usage, entry process, physical memory usage, all these metrics on my hosting account as well. So you see something when the test on progress, you see the CPU usage continues spike out, but still okay. Right now only until 27%, you see, 20%, so it's still okay. Maximum is 27 only. And then the memory is only taking less than 15%. So overall this host is still okay. Okay, this is the result from the 1 minute test. We are sending 250 clients over 1 minute, and then the average response is 792 millisecond, and then 0% error rate. And then for your info, if you want to change the setting or do something else, you can also click here, edit, and then you can choose your the method from there, the post, put, patch, or delete. And then you can also add a few parameters there. Okay, thank you very much.